Good afternoon to everyone here. For me, it's a great pleasure to be here. First of all, I would like to thank the director of the International Ecotourism Society. It's been a pleasure for me to be at this conference on ecotourism, on sustainable tourism, which promote the conservation of the nature, of the natural wealth of the countries, especially Turkey, which works hard to comply with the fundamental principles of tourism, as mentioned by the United Nations World Tourism Organization. Tourism, which fully takes into account the current and future economic, social, and environmental impacts to meet the needs of visitors, industry, environmental, and host communities. As the ambassador of Guatemala in Turkey, I can affirm that our country share a lot in natural resources, such as abundant biodiversity, exuberant natural landscape, pleasant microclimates, as well as living culture and archaeological riches, which are perfect destination for agrotourism, for their fertile zones, for the rich, diversified of edible spices and ancient traditional farming techniques. According to the International Ecotourism Society, true ecological tourism is based on the principle of minimize the adverse impacts to the environment and the community, promote respect and environmental awareness, generate positive experiences, provide direct financial benefits for conservation, provide financial benefits and strengthen participation in local community decision-making, create sensitivity toward the political, environmental, and social climate to the host countries, and support compliance with the human rights and labor laws. In each of these principles, let me inform you that Guatemala works actively together with the communities, private sector, and international community. And now, with the demands of the new normal, tourism is leaning toward nature destination with guarantee the open space and social distancing with the safe travel stamp. I want to express that this conference has allowed me to identify one more area, one more field, in which Guatemala and Turkey can strengthen their diplomatic relation. That in this year, in 2021, we are celebrating 147 years of diplomatic relation. Finally, I would like to quote the phrase of Masanobu Fukuoka, a Japanese farmer and philosopher. True culture that is born with nature is simple, humble, and pure. Thank you very much for your kind attention.